Welcome to Austin Property Management, where your peace of mind is our top priority. With decades of combined experience and a deep understanding of the local market, we specialize in making rental property ownership effortless and profitable. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time landlord, we're here to help you succeed. From the moment a tenant applies to the day-to-day upkeep of your home, we've got you covered. Our all-inclusive management services include meticulous tenant screening, 24/7 maintenance coordination, secure rent collection, and eviction protection. Everything we do is designed to safeguard your investment and reduce your stress. Our advanced online portals bring everything to your fingertips. Owners get real-time financial reports and updates. Tenants enjoy the convenience of paying rent, requesting repairs, and staying in touch with our team, anytime from anywhere. With us, technology is not just a feature, it's a solution. We're more than a property management company. We're your dedicated team of problem solvers, communicators, and advocates. Our clients love us because we keep things simple, transparent, and effective. When you work with Austin Property Management, you're never in the dark. You're in control. Your property should work for you, not the other way around. Discover how we can help you grow your rental income and reduce the day-to-day stress of being a landlord. Call us today or visit our website to schedule your free rental analysis. Let's unlock the full potential of your property together.